Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing. Today we have something exciting for all the entertainment lovers. Yes, this is the JVC 55-inch QLED AIvision TV. This TV packs premium features like 4K Ultra HD resolution, Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos sound, and Google TV, all at a competitive price. But does it live up to expectations? Let's find out. As soon as you unbox it, you will notice the wall mount kit. You get stands, you get a remote, you also get some paperwork, but that is not as important as this video. So do not forget to subscribe us. Then you get the main TV inside it that has been packaged very well under the box. So finally we have mounted the TV. Now let's have a look around it. So the build quality feels solid. I mean, you get slim profile, thin bezels, and the notch is quite similar on the bottom side also. The JVC branding is there. You get single button to operate. On the back side, you have got all the connectivity ports and everything. Looks quite slim and quite premium from the first vision. Now moving to the display, this is where the TV surely shines. QLED panel with 4K Ultra HD resolution, 3840 into 2160 pixels, ensure crisp, sharp visuals. HDR10 plus support, HLG support, Dolby Vision support, make colors pop with deeper blacks and bright highlights. MMC technology helps you to make things more smoother, especially in the action time. The AMO technology brings 1.1 billion colors to life, delivering an immersive viewing experience. 550 nits of brightness and show you clear visible even in well-lit rooms. Well, here is a catch. If it's the summertime, then definitely you gonna have some curtains in your living room. There's no anti-glare coating on the display, so you might get irritated with the reflections and all. But overall, the visuals are stunning with vibrant colors and impressive contrast. You can customize them in the setting mode, so there is no problem in that. Now coming to the audio performance, as of you all know, the TV without some good sound is not that great. 60-watt speakers are provided under the hood, which provides a great and immersive sound with Dolby Atmos support. For an even better experience, pairing with an external soundbar is always recommended. Now coming to the smart features and connectivity, this TV runs on Google TV, which means access to 10,000 plus apps and games including Netflix, Prime Video, Disney, Hotstar, YouTube, Apple TV, Z5 Wood, etc. A universal search option is also given, so you can search and stream any content that you want to stream. 300 plus free live TV channels without needing any subscription. Built-in Chromecast, Google Assistant, all the things are there. Coming to the connectivity part, 3 HDMI ports are there, 2 USB ports are there, Bluetooth and dual band Wi-Fi support is there. You can easily access the TV wirelessly. Ethernet ports are also given for smooth and fast wired internet access. Now coming to the gaming performance, yes, this TV is not for the gamers, as this TV only have 60 Hz refresh rate, and that can really annoy the users, those who want to game on it. Now it's final time for the verdict. So the JVC 55-inch QLED AIvision TV is a fantastic option for those who want a featured pack 4K smart TV with great visuals, immersive sound, and a solid smart TV experience, all at an affordable price. Because as you look at the pros, 4K QLED display, Dolby Vision, Google TV, Dolby Atmos DTS, USB Bluetooth Wi-Fi Ethernet, all those things are quite premium. But there is only two cons: 60 Hz refresh rate that can not be ideal for the gamers, and second thing, speakers are good but could use more bass. Overall, at the 34,000 rupees price, this QLED TV is a great option if you are looking for the value for money. So if you really want to check out this television, then links are given in the description. You can go and have a look on that. But before leaving the video, do not forget to hit like button, share and subscribe us for more such content. So that's it for the video. See you guys in the next one.